Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Social Studies class with Ms. Shazia Safdar. We are studying lesson number 6, Water and Power, and our today's topic is Sources of Water. By studying this lesson, students will be able to recognize the different sources of water used in Pakistan. Dear children, let's start our topic, Sources of Water. The first source is rainfall. You know children, Pakistan gets most of the rainfall during the monsoon season, in summer in the months of June to September. Do we in Pakistan store rain and river water for use in the other months? Yes, water is stored in reservoirs and dams. Big rivers also have irrigational canals which take the water to the drier parts of the country. Pakistan has the largest canal system in the world. Where does the rainwater go? Do you know when it rains, where does the water go? Dear children, some of the water is absorbed in the ground while some flows into low-lying areas. Some flows into nearby streams and rivers. The water in the river always flows downwards towards the sea. Canals from the rivers supply water to the dry areas of the country. There are many ways to store water. The next source is wells. Wells are large, deep holes dug into the ground to obtain water from underground source. The water which is absorbed in the ground is trapped between layers of hard rock. Some of these wells are useful where there are no piped water lines. The third source is tube wells. Tube wells are deep wells. They are made by drilling very deep holes into the ground. A pipe is put into the hole and water is pumped up by electric pumps. Farmers can use water from tube wells throughout the year. The solar pumps. The use of solar pumps has also increased due to the shortage of electricity in the country. The initial cost is expensive, but it benefits the farmers in the long run. Farmers in the northern areas use these pumps to draw out water for their fields. Dams and barrages. Dams and barrages are called multi-purpose projects. The northern areas have fast-moving rivers. These rivers have been controlled by building 3 large multi-purpose dams. The multi-purpose dams provide a large reservoir of water for irrigation and other purposes. That is why it is called multi-purpose project. The dams are also used to generate electricity. The largest dams of Pakistan. The largest dams of Pakistan are Warsak, Mangla and Tarbela. Besides these dams, there are other smaller dams in Upper Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Barrages. Another way of controlling the flow of river is by building a barrier across them. This is called a barrage. Like a dam, a barrage has gates which control the flow of water, especially in times of floods. A barrier raises the level of water in a river or canal so that there is adequate flow into the canals used to irrigate the farmland. The pride of Pakistan's irrigation system. The Sakhar barrage is the pride of Pakistan's irrigation system as it is the largest single irrigation network of its kind in the world. Sakhar barrage is built on the river Indus. With its 7 canals, it supplies water to about 25% of the total canal irrigated area of Pakistan. Dear children, now the important points of this lesson. Pakistan gets most of the rainfall during the monsoon season, in summer in the months of June to September. Rain and river water is stored in reservoirs and dams. Big rivers also have irrigational canals which take their water to the drier parts of the country. Canals from the rivers supply water to the dry areas of the country. There are many ways to store water. For example, wells, tube wells, solar pumps, and dams and barrages. The Sakhar barrage is the pride of Pakistan's irrigation system as it is the largest single irrigation network of its kind in the world. With its 7 canals, Sakhar barrage supplies water to about 25% of the total canal irrigated area of Pakistan. Dear children, now question and answers. Our today's question is question number 8. What kind of power or energy is used in Pakistan? The answer is Pakistan uses mainly hydroelectric, fossil fuel and atomic power, biogas, ethanol, solar and wind power. These powers are used in rural areas. Thank you children for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.